Hello children. Today we will see the next part of our operation on rational numbers, and that is the we have to study the division of decimal fractions. So I hope before the starting next point, I hope you solved the practice set number 22, and then afterward yesterday I told you how to find out the numbers in between the two rational numbers, and I hope you solve the question number practice set number 23 also, because some of the examples answer I told you in this in yesterday's lecture only. So today we will see the next part, that is the division. So as you know that I think division you are studying from standard 3rd 4th years, division is starting for you. Okay, and decimal fractions division is very easy. So first of all, here it is given that we have learned multiply and divide of a decimal fractions. Multiply and divide of decimal fraction. So how it is there? So first of all, here one number is given 35.1 divided by 10. Means what? How we are solving this? 35.1 upon 10, right? So in short, first of all we will in detail see, and then we will see 35.1 into 10 means upon 10 means we can write it as a into 1 by 10. Yes, okay. Now the next step of this is that if I want to remove this decimal point, you know that if I want to remove this decimal point, what we have to do? 351 point after how many digits are there? Only single one digit is there. So we have to divide 351. Instead of writing 35.1, you just write here 351, and point after one digit is here. That's why you give write 10 below the or upon 10, because on 1 0 we have to give. You know this, and into 1 upon 10, and the answer is the 351. 10 tens are 100. Okay, and then the next step 351 point after on 1 how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. So just leave 2 digits from back side, from 1 and 5 just leave it and give point here. So its answer is 3.51. So 35.1 divided by 10 is equals to, its answer is 3.51. Okay, so this is the division we have studied. And short method, I don't know who taught you, but the short method is that, okay, just write down this number 351, only numbers now, don't give the decimal point. Okay, so actually decimal point is where after leaving one digit from the back side. On 1 how many zeros are there? 1 0 is there. Here's one digit and 1 0 is there. That's why we total how much it is there? 2. This point, where it will come? It will come at the place of 3.50, means this point we have to move one digit towards the left side, towards left. One digit, why? Because here 10 is there, and on 10 1 0 is there. So when you are dividing the 10, 100, 1000, whichever is the number, okay, so that time what we have to do? The decimal point we have to shift towards the left side. How many numbers? How many zeros are there on here? Okay, that is the short method. Okay, so just practice the second method also, because when you are studying in the future classes, then this method is very important for you. Okay, so 35.10, its answer is just 1 0 is there. So this point will move left side one digit. So where it will move? It will come in front of 5. So 3.51. Instead of this, same example I will teach you. Then you will understand it. Upon 100. On 1 how many zeros are there? 2. So first of all numbers write. I told you that 351. On 1 how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there, right? So already this point is at one digit. So 2 digits, point is actually here at this place. So in answer inside, this point will shift again 2 digits towards left. So actually it was here, but it will move towards here at this place. Why? 2 zeros, because 2 zeros are at towards left side. So this point will come here, and the no number is there in front of it. That's why I give the 0. Okay. So this is the method of solving. These only examples are given in our textbook. If you see here, so 35.1 upon 100 means 35.1 upon 1 into 1 upon 100, right? Now 100 means what we have to do? We have to remove this decimal point again. So this understanding is there only. Just understand whenever we are solving the example actually in practice, that time what happens, it will, or it was over also for you. How many zeros are here? 2 zeros are there. On 100, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. So this point will move 2 digits forward. So it will come here. So 0.351 is its answer. Okay. In this way, we have to do we are doing the division of the decimal fraction and the numbers. Right. Now multiplication. Just division inside what I told you, the point is shifting towards the left side. But in multiplication inside, the point is shifting towards the right side. That you have to keep in your mind. So 35.1, actually how it is, I will show you. When you are multiplying 35,351,0 means 35.1, if you multiply with the 10, you know that 10 tens are 100, 20 tens are 200. In this way, 1 0 is only increasing. And here point after how many digits are there? Only 1 digit is there. So from this left side, leave this digit and give the point here. So 351 is the answer. Okay. So from this what we are understanding, when we are multiplying this decimal fraction with 10, 100, 1000, whatever is there, how many zeros are there? This much numbers, that point is moving toward the right side. So in division inside, the point is shifting towards the left side, and the multiplication inside, point is shifting towards the right side. Now see here that we are doing now this one. So here 1000, how many zeros are there? 3 zeros are there. So first, whenever you are multiplying this number right here as it is 351. Okay, point now don't give. So, and if you multiply this number with the 1000, where it will, the point will come, 3 zeros will increase on this. Okay. Then here point after 1 digit is there. So 35.1 into 1000, the point will shift towards the right side. Your right side is the right side of that number also. So 3 digit it will move forward. So actually it was here, but here only 1 digit is there. So from where we have to give? So we have to give zeros here. So point after first digit, second digit, and this is third digit. So this point we have to remove from this place and we have to give it at this place. And point after 0 is there. So point after 0 doesn't have any value. So the answer of this question is the 35,100. 35,100. We will, sorry, point from where it came. Wait, that was, I was removed. Okay, so 35,100 is the answer. Okay, so in this way, this is the let's recall question. The let's recall questions are those questions that you have studied last year. So that is only I just revise it. So here it is given that we know that is important. We can divide the decimal fraction by 100 by moving the point 2 places to the left. So whenever we are dividing the point, we are shifting 2 digits toward the left, and when multiplying point, we have to move toward the right side over. Okay, so in this way we have to solve the questions. Okay, so here it is question given, but it's okay, that is not important for exam. Means we will practice some examples for better understanding. So here it is given that how to convert, that is given here. Okay, so now we will see the decimal form of rational numbers. As you know that the lesson name is only the rational number. So the decimal form of a rational number, it is first of all very easy, very easy. So how to divide it? You know that division. Okay, 7. First of all, we write the rational number 7 upon 4 in the decimal form. So I will solve and show you. 7 upon 4. You just divide 7 by 4. 7 by 4. Huh? You just divide same as it is, just you know that 7 ones are 7, 4 ones are 4. Do the subtraction, answer remainder is 3. Now you have to take 0 here, your own 0 if whenever you are taking. Here point after what, we have to take the zeros. Here this 0 we carried, directly also we given, then also no. Once you took the point, here you have to give the 0 you have taken, you have to give the point. Actually no, whenever I am solving, I am not doing this all. This step is given to you. So 7 minus 4 is 3. And here we have to, now 3 is smaller than 4. Then 4 stable inside, 3 is not present. So at that time we have to take 1 0. Our own 0 we had taken. That's why we have to give 1 point here. 1 point. So 7 stable inside 30 is there? No. Then which is smaller number present at this table? 7 stable inside, 4 stable inside. 7th place 28 is there. Remainder is 2. Again 0 give here. Okay. Now it is not necessary to give point here again. One time only we have to give the point. Here. First time whenever you are taking your own 0, that time only. And then 4 5s are 20. Remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. Okay. And therefore 7 upon 4 means only 1.75. In our textbook it is given in that way. 7 point, they told you to take zeros here, then multiply here with the 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. Then do the subtraction 3. Now write down this 0 here. That 0 here decimal point is given. So here you have to give the point. Then 4 5s are 4 7s are 28. Same. Only point after zeros here we have to take. Again you have to carry 0 here. 4 5s are 20. Okay. So here it is 0 0. In this way we have to convert the rational number, that is 7 upon 4, into decimal form, that is 1.75. Clear? It is very easy. Very easy division. Okay. Only important thing is that when to give decimal point. So when we have to give the decimal point, whenever the digit is, this digit is smaller than this digit, and we are taking 0 here, our own 0 we are taken. So at that time what happens, our own 0, that is important, our own 0 we are taking. At that time what we have to do, we have to give the decimal point. One more examples we will see here, which is given in our textbook. That question is the, see here, 1 upon 2 integer 1 upon 5. 2 integer 1 upon 5. First of all, this 2 written here as it is. 2 is written as it is. Only this 2 is written as it is. Only we have to do the rational number, that is 1 upon 5's division. So how to do the 1 upon 5's division? 1 you divide with the 5. So 5 is already smaller than 1. 1 is smaller than 5. That's why 0 take. Here also 0. Subtraction 1. Here point after zeros you have to take. Here that first 0 when you copy, here we have to give the point. So 0.5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10. Okay, minus 10. And that this is the answer, 0.2. Okay, and that first 2 integer 1 upon 5. 1 upon 5's answer we find it here, that is 0.2. So 0.2 is there. So its answer is 2 integer 2.5. 1 upon 5 means 2, and its answer is 0.5. 0.5. So here we have to write only 5. So 2 plus 0.5 is equal to 5 not 2. In this way we have to solve the example. Again same example we can solve in another method also. Okay, 5, this you know is the conversion. 5 2s are 10 and 10 plus 1 11. So when you divide 11 with 5, then also same answer you will get. 5 2s are 10. Just follow this one more method I will tell you, then we will decide which one is easy for you. You just use it. Okay, no problem. So 5 2s are 10. So remainder is 1. Point over, then first 0 when we are taking, you have to give the decimal point here, and then 5 2s are 10. I will show you better to see here. 11 divided by 5. So 5 2s are 10. 1 remain. 0 your own taken. That's why point give here. And 5 2s are 10. subtraction. So 2 integer 1 upon 5 means only 11 upon 5. 5 to the 10, 10 plus 1, 11 upon 5 equals to 2.2. In this way we can solve the example. Same example. Now the last example is this. Last example not. Same example and last method. Here in this example method inside 5 we have to convert into 10, 100, 1000, 1 in that number, such a type of numbers whose has 0 and 1 as a main number. So here the 11 upon 5 we have to convert the denominator into 10 because 5 table inside 2 is there. So 11 upon 5, just multiply here with the 2 because 5 2s are 10 is there. 11 2s are 22, 5 2s are 10, 22 right at first. On 1 how many 0 is there? 1 0. So from back side leave the digit 1 and give the point. So this is the answer 2.2. Clear? So one only example we solve in 3 methods. You just choose any method, no problem, no issue. Okay, and one more method I will tell you, that is generally we are using. Now you are in a standard 7, so when you will go to the higher classes that method will be useful for you. So 11 upon 5, 5 ones are 5. 5 table inside 11 is there? No. So which is smaller number present in 5 table than 11? 5 2s are 10. Okay, so 11 minus 10, what we get it here? 1 get it. On 1 you have to take 0. Here give the point. 0 taken, that's why point you have to give. So here 5 ones are 5 and 5 2s are 10. Answer is 2.2. This method generally we are using in 9th, 10th and onwards all classes inside. Okay, so all of you practice this today. And the next examples, 4 examples are there that we will solve, and then we will continue our lesson tomorrow. Okay, so today we will stop here only. Okay, thank you and have a good day.